Hello, my name is Ryan Zakos. I'm a licensed real estate broker with Zakos Realty here out of Sarasota, Florida. In today's video, I want to talk to you about the best and ultimate beach guide for the west coast of Florida. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy. Now going down the barrier islands, our next stop is Manasota Beach. This tranquil beach has 14 acres of recreational land and 1,400 feet of beachfront. It is a wonderful spot that is never too busy and, just like Venice, is known for its shelling. Although it can feel like a private retreat, the beach has a host of amenities, including year-round lifeguards, beach wheelchairs, picnic tables, restrooms, shelters, and more. Manasota Beach also has boat launches and docks along the intercoastal. Also, if you happen to be on the beach from May to October, look for these little yellow wooden stakes that are marking the sea turtle nests. There are more loggerhead sea turtles that swim ashore to lay their eggs on Manasota Key than any other part of Florida's west coast. The next beach we're going to talk about is Sarasota County's most southern beach. Sometimes called Middle Beach because it's located in the center of Manasota Key, Blind Pass Beach is just a mile above the Charlotte County line. Of all the region's barrier islands, Manasota Key is by far the most relaxed. This is probably because most of the island is strictly residential, with a scenic road winding between these multi-million-dollar homes and the occasional old Florida modest home on the bay or the Gulf. Manasota Beach is big. It is about 66 acres and has about 3,000 feet of shoreline. You won't find the soft white sand of Siesta, but there are showers, restrooms, playgrounds, a canoe launch, and picnic tables here at the beach. What I also like about this is on the bay side, there's a nature trail that leads through a little mangrove forest to a fishing dock over the intercoastal waterway. Blind Pass generally is not super busy, and it's a great spot to get away from the hustle and bustle of the larger public beaches all up and down Sarasota, Manatee County. Now, the last beach I'm going to mention today is Englewood Beach. Englewood Beach is the centerpiece of 12.5 acre Chadwick Park and at the southern end of Manasota Key. While most of the key is residential, what makes Englewood unique and special is that the area is actually zoned commercial. So because it is zoned commercial, it has a bustling little resort village that includes low-key vacation rentals, restaurants, and plenty of shops. This big, wide beach has great views and shelling, just like Venice, along with all the amenities a family could ever need to spend the day here. The beach and park include grills, picnic shelters, pavilions, a shaded playground, volleyball, basketball, and even horseshoes. A 900-foot-long boardwalk has 3 lookout stations, and the Beach Guy, which is a local vendor who rents umbrellas, chairs, and more. This is the only beach on the key that has lifeguards on duty, so take note of that. There is no snack bar or cafe, but several restaurants just across the street. Only bad thing about this Charlotte County Beach, is that unlike Sarasota, where beach parking is free, Charlotte County does have a metered beach parking lot. It's not expensive, but still worth noting that you will have to pay for parking here in Charlotte County. I'm going to end with one honorable mention, and that is Stump Pass Beach Park. This is a really cool spot at the very southern tip of Manasota Key. Stump Pass would make the list because it is such a beautiful big beach. It has a destination feel of itself. It often has been regarded as one of the best boating destinations in the world, so I definitely wanted to at least note this on the list today. Thank you for listening to my extensive digest of all the best beaches in the world. I absolutely love each and every one of these beaches for their own reason. They all have their own unique characteristics and none are like the other. I look forward to hearing your thoughts, and as always, do not hesitate to reach out if you have any questions at all. I look forward to talking to you more, and please subscribe as I will be posting more videos about beaches, homes, and locations all through Manatee, Sarasota, Charlotte counties. Look forward to talking to you soon.